A pitch-black night enveloped the small provincial road, illuminated only by the dim, flickering headlights of Fred's rickety car. He had driven this path countless times, but tonight felt stiflingly different. As he rounded a bend, expecting freedom from his interminable journey, a wall of taillights stretched before him. Grumbling at the delay, Fred's irritation soon waned into curiosity. The cars had been stagnant for hours, not one tire inching forward. The oppressive sound of silence, broken only by the sporadic rustle of leaves in the idle breeze, began to gnaw at him. An unusual chill clawed at the air, mingling with the scent of untouched musk. Driven by an unsettling compulsion, Fred rolled down his window. "What's going on?" he shouted to a nearby driver hunched over the wheel, eyes glazed like unfocused marbles. The woman turned her head slowly, her expression vacant. A shiver crawled down Fred's spine. Fred's eye caught movement in the distance. A shadow swirled near the edge of the forest lining the road. A figure emerged, graceful and ominous, its silhouette bathed in the moonlit haze. It was a Diwata, a spirit of powerful magic from local folklore. "Why do you linger here?" Fred called, stepping out from the confines of his vehicle. The Diwata glared, eyes a frosted river of wrath. "You stand in my realm of judgment, where those who fail to respect the land are frozen in eternal limbo," she proclaimed, her voice echoing both fury and sorrow. Understanding dawned upon Fred, clearing the fog of confusion. The dimension was not of the human world. It was a trap for the disrespectful, bound by the spirit's enchantment. Heart pounding like a drum, Fred pleaded for forgiveness, recalling childhood tales of nature's guardians, beings who could be both protectors and judges. "Seek the breath of the trees," the Diwata commanded, voice echoing through the night. Fred stumbled through the underbrush to the forest's edge, inhaling deeply, feeling the whispering pulse of ancient wood and leaf. With a final, forgiving glance, the Diwata disappeared into the swaying branches. A headlight flickered, then another, until slowly, the traffic began to crawl forward once more.